Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about Motorola phone setting. In this video, guys, we will talk about how to check serial number in Motorola phone. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching a video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all, friends, we will have to come in your phone setting. So a phone setting we will click. Then guys, click on about phone. After guys, scroll it and guys come on this guys model and hardware setting, guys, model number and hardware setting, and click here guys. Then you can see serial number in Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check serial number in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will move to our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.